Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Sugar and Spice _ makeup. It's Delaney.
I'm Chip.
And today we're going to be doing our Morphe Me Live Glam. Live Glam, who knows what it is, but it is what it is. Unboxing.
Dance for this video.
Why not? You can dance and all talk, that's fine. You can twerk a little bit more.
Oh god, I can't.
We got chairs, you could get up. You could get up and do it.
Working on my career.
This is going to be what, our fourth?
Yeah.
Unboxing. We want to keep doing these because the brushes are interesting. Plus, we are putting everything that we don't want in a giveaway for you guys. So
yes.
As soon as we get up to 50 subscribers on YouTube and 200 on Instagram, we will be doing a giveaway. So just keep on. Tell your friends to subscribe. Tell your dog to subscribe. Hit the bell. Shameless plug.
Shameless plug.
Shameless plug. Just a little bit of information on the subscription. It's $19.99 a month unless you prepay for 6 or 12 months. It goes down a little bit more, but you get over $30 in retail value for the brushes. So Morphe, that could give you 5 brushes or that could give you 3 brushes. It just depends on what size of brush. Like I said, it is all Morphe brushes. So if you don't like Morphe, this is not the subscription for you.
No. But a very great subscription to build up your brush collection.
Yeah,
so.
If you're an emerging artist or if you are new to just makeup in general, I think it's a very affordable subscription every month. It comes very timely. You can skip or stop at any time. You can switch out your brushes. There's a lot of perks in some of our videos in the past. I think our first one I showed more of an in-depth review of their website. You get points every month for, you know, your subscription, and you can redeem those for other things that aren't brushes. Some are brushes, but some are not, like hair dye or lime crime. No one wants. But we're gonna go ahead and get into the brushes of this month. So I believe that we got 5.
Ooh.
Yeah, Let's Flamingo is the theme. We're just gonna go over every one and we'll tell you whether or not we're gonna keep them or put them in a gift. Can you read it?
I need glasses. Okay, so the first brush, and I need to make sure it's the right brush that I'm picking up, not like last time. So the first brush is the small round contour brush, and it says that this brush has some serious smooth moves. Basically, it is a small contour brush, and I would definitely use this for inner corner highlight. If I were going to keep it, I'm gonna put this in the giveaway because I have several of these tiny small ones and I just don't grab them as much, so this would just be another one.
I'm keeping all my brushes this month, so I'm just gonna tell you that right now. So whatever Chip doesn't want,
yes,
we're gonna put in the giveaway. I really like the small precise one. Like Chip said, I'll probably use it for like inner corner highlight or to do like some crease blending if I'm working with multiple colors in one spot because it's very small and precise. You could also use it for a nose contour if you want to be like James Charles and have like literally no line. The next brush, let me make sure I pick up the right one. This one is the E15. It is a deluxe oval shadow brush. I don't necessarily like using shadow brushes that are this short. I feel that it just, I don't know. I have like no room on the brush to work into my eye. Is it a great packing brush? Yeah. I would probably honestly use this for a nose contour because it is so dense versus Chip over there like,
sorry. I was like, oof, it's dense.
It says that it's a large eyeshadow brush.
Okay. I mean, I guess if you were doing a smoky eye, so really focusing with
dense
one
powder
shadow.
into the brush or something?
Yeah, maybe. Or like setting. Okay, so I would use this to set my concealer. Sometimes I do use a concealer as my primer, so this would be good.
Size.
Yeah, or even like to blend out your concealer.
Yeah.
Yeah, so definitely I'm going to keep this and I'm going to try it with blending out concealer, setting concealer, and maybe if I was doing a smoky look, packing that color on, but I would have to grab a different brush to blend it out because I feel like it's just too dense to be a blending brush. But we'll see how it works. So yeah, this is going into my collection.
Bye.
Bye.
Never seen it.
Alright, so the next brush is the E49 flat pointed powder brush. So it's soft, tapered, and versatile. Okay, this I am down for. A fluffy
I like this. I would use
brush.
this to put powder on my under eye.
Yeah, yeah. Oh,
or
yeah.
to touch up. Or honestly, to place a really dense highlight. You could do that too.
Oh, yeah. This is, yeah, I'm liking it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Feels good.
Keep it.
Yep, keeping it. This is really nice. Very soft. And I love this line. This is the Elite line. And the bristles are dark, which is very up my alley.
This one is so soft
love
in comparison to how they normally feel.
Yeah. I'm for it. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm for it.
Just
Collection.
giving it a nice pat. So the next one is the M216 Stiff Brow Brush. Now, normally I don't like brow brushes that are like this stiff because my brows are very soft and wispy, so to like put this in there, it's just kind of like I'm combing them. But if you have more coarse brow hair, this is probably a brush that you would like to have, especially if you're using this to apply any pomade or like a clear brow gel, or if you don't want to use the spoolie, this would be a great idea to use that for. The only other thing that I haven't mentioned about is that it's angled.
So this brush, they also have a different version. This is my version. Yeah, I was like, this looks familiar. So my version is the M413, and it's double-ended, so it comes with the spoolie, but the brush is identical. So yeah, so I feel like if you have the spoolie-ended one, then I don't know if you would really want this one because it doesn't have a spoolie, but if you didn't want the spoolie, then this would be a good brush for you. I like to use this one because it is so stiff, but it's really bad at like really sharpening up the end because it's just really big. So sometimes I just go in with the thought like, okay, I know the tip or the tail of my brows is just going to be massive, and then I just kind of carve it out to what I want with my concealer. It does spread out the pomade that I use very well because it is very stiff. So I'm going to put this in a giveaway because I already have this in the double end, which I got like months ago in this same subscription.
But that just goes to show you that sometimes you do get similar things months apart. So for me, whenever I get like specific lines like the rose gold line, I just put those aside and I either use them as a gift to like give someone as a set, or I don't use them. I just hoard my brushes. So the last one is the M326 Pro Precision Smudger Brush. It's definitely a smudger brush. I would use it as a smudger brush. It's a little bit longer. Normally, in proportion, you would see a smudger brush be short like this one that we already talked about, the E15. But this one's a little bit longer, so I kind of like that. It gives a little bit more give to it, and I'm not mad. That's why I'm gonna keep it. I probably would use this to do like a cut crease too. Yeah. Because it is a little bit longer, a little bit more flexible.
Or so like to just pack color on top of a cut crease, like glitter. This would be really good for glitter glue and loose glitter. Yeah, I'm here for it. Collection.
2 brushes made it, but we haven't put any like small brushes in the giveaway yet, so they've been mostly like medium-sized face brushes or, you know, like a large powder brush. So there you go, guys. Yeah. Subscribe. Get ready for a giveaway.
Get a 50.
Whenever it comes. But that completes all of the products for this unboxing this month. So, you know, just stay tuned. We're going to keep doing this one. I'm going to move this one out as more of a bonus video, so it will come out whenever. I know the one for May just came out last week, but that's because I was dumb and I forgot to schedule it in the middle of the month like a normal person. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, hit the bell, follow us on sugarandspice_makeup on Instagram. We do post daily looks there and previews of this product as well once that video is live. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!